Hello everyone. So here we have code.org open and I am trying to make a pattern using block based programming. So basically this is a block based programming where blocks are already there and we have to just select them. So starting with a repeat block. So repeat block is a kind of loop which I am trying to use here because I have to make a pattern which will have squares and triangles. So first repeat loop within the block I am setting a color which will have random colors, and then I am selecting a shape which will include triangles and squares, and then we are drawing a line which will start from 200 coordinate to 200 x and y coordinates, and then finally I am taking a block turned right by 90 degrees. Why 90 degrees? Because there is a square which I will be creating, and square will have 4 sides each of 90 degrees. So this is done, and finally if I execute you get a simple but a beautiful pattern. And finally I am saving this as code to code pattern 1. So I hope you like this project. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are watching this on my page, please follow, and if on YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.